Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 80 plus parties banner. Here you see I divide it into 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. In part 1 we have 26 files and a folder of fonts. These are the fonts that use in these banners. Same like it, in part 2 we have 37 banners and in part 3 we have 15 banners. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can add any layer according to your own choice. If you want to replace text, simply go to this layer and background, design, image, brush, title, splash, texture and adjustment. Same like it, you can add any of this template according to your own choice. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.